Hi everybody, welcome to Michelle James Designs or michelleJdesigns.com. Welcome back if you've been here before, and if you're new, then welcome to my channel. And if you like my videos, please subscribe, and it really helps me. And if you like it, if you hit the thumbs up. So today we are going to work on these glass jars for the hot cocoa bar. I've been working on this for the week, so we're starting with some glass jars from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to give these two coats of the white linen white chalk paint from Rustoleum. So I'm taking those lids off. I'm going to use kind of a smaller, just a regular angled paintbrush. And I don't want to paint the tops. I don't want to paint the rim of it because I am going to put some food items in this. So I want the inside to remain non-painted. So I'm just going to kind of go around the rim there a little bit and then start painting the rest of the jar. I ended up, when I got a little far, it was all over my fingers, as you can tell. I ended up just turning it upside down and finishing it, the sides, and I did the bottom as well. And this paintbrush, because it's smaller, it's great for getting in the little grooves that these jars have, and that's important. So then I'm just going to do the other one. The other one has little glass square bumps on it. It's really cute. These are Dollar Tree jars, if I didn't mention that already. I don't know if I did. So for $1, and then I already had the paint, so these this part of the project actually cost me just $2. And I'm putting these on the hot cocoa bar that I showed you in the last video, which I will put in the description and link above. The hot cocoa bar metal tray that I decorated for the bar. It looks really cute. So I'm just finishing these up. I actually gave these 2 coats, as I mentioned before, so after this is completely dry, then I did a whole nother coat of paint. But I didn't show that on the video. You guys don't need to see all that. Once they're dry, then I took my sanding block and I just wanted to distress them a little bit. So this part of the project makes a huge mess. So just be sure you're over a mat or over some paper or something so that the chalk paint little sanding dust doesn't go all over your carpet or your furniture or whatever. But I just sanded off as much as I wanted. You can go to as rustic or as non-rustic, or it's totally optional if you don't want to do any sanding at all. I just like the distressed look. I think it's a cute farmhouse look, and that's kind of what I was going for with these jars. So you can do, like I said, as much or as little of the sanding as you want, or none at all. It did take me a little bit to get this sanded. It was a little harder than I thought. I think if I had used a rougher sanding block as opposed to this fine one, it would have been a little bit easier. See the mess? Okay, so once I got that all cleaned up, then I'm cleaning up the jars with a cloth to get the extra dust off there. Then I sprayed 1 coat of this clear acrylic matte coating on the jars. I put them upside down and sprayed them so that the clear coating wouldn't go inside the jar. And then some twine and some metal rim tags with the printables are so cute, and I just love the way they turned out, and it was such an easy project. So as I showed in the last video, then all together on the tray with the cocoa bar, look at how cute these are. And you could do this with all the jars, or you know, whatever, or just a couple like I did with mine. But it's really cute, and this whole set and the printables are in my Etsy shop, so I will leave a link to that as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you like this video.